Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in the state of Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and elucidate matters to the public. So please subscribe to our channel. How does one deal with the spiteful spouse during a divorce? Now, the spite could be for any reason. It could be because of an accusation against you. It could be an allegation of infidelity. It could be just the other person has a spiteful personality and has done things for spiteful purposes their whole life. How do you deal with it in the context of a divorce? Well, number one, very, very important to realize that most of these divorce cases, over 97% of them, are settled without the benefit of trial. That means that with the help of the attorneys and even perhaps mediators and sometimes even the judge, these cases are resolved. Since most of them are resolved, it's important to maintain your emotional control during the case. So if you're spiteful or you have feelings of spite or you're on the receiving end of spite from the other side, try not to escalate things. Remember, ultimately, the goal is to resolve this case in a way that's fair to everybody. And allowing an escalation could very well hinder that process. So number one, you have to try to maintain appropriate control. Number two, you got to document everything. They may be doing it out of spite. They may be trying, for example, to take an asset that they don't care about, but that you really want, some small thing, because maybe it's an heirloom or something like that. They know it's important to you, so therefore they take it out of spite. You have to document everything. Focus on the big picture. Is it something that's worth fighting for? Keep your eye on the ultimate prize, which is a fair and equitable settlement. I'll tell you a quick story. We had a situation once where at issue was a little tiny cabin where the family would do fishing. It's not like a big beautiful cabin on Lake Michigan. It was more like a little shanty, okay? The woman wanted it. Our client wanted it. Why? Because her brother had a shanty right next to it. Because she wanted it, her ex pursued it. Okay? He didn't want it. He didn't want to have a place right next to his ex-brother-in-law. But because she wanted it, he decided to be spiteful. And so when we went to the mediation, we decided, you know what? Let's do it this way. We're going to auction it off in $5,000 increments. This thing's worth $20,000, maybe $25,000 max. We started the bidding at $5,000 a pop, $20,000 minimum, and so it began. 25, 30. She said 35. He says 40. By the time it hits 50, I'm already kicking her under the table because I'm telling my message to my client is, you've gotten double what it's worth. Give the damn thing to him. But she decided, no, I'm going to keep pushing it. She kept pushing it. He kept pushing back. The bidding went higher and higher and higher until she was finally able and ready to take my advice to just let him have it. And you know what price we let him have it at? $90,000. This guy paid her $90,000 for the $25,000 little shanty. And you know what she did with her $90,000? She went and she bought the shanty on the other side of her brother. So she's still next door to him, only she has made another $65,000 above and beyond the value. So it never pays to handle things through spite. It's very important, though, that you communicate these things to your attorney, that your attorney have an understanding of exactly what your reasonable, non-spiteful goals and objectives are so that he or she can advance your interests. Now, if you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.